Hello everyone and welcome to class of SQL. Now the instance is created. So this is instance 1 which is created for it. This is SQL instance. You can monitor this instance. We have monitoring and labels. You have in monitoring CPU utilization. You can check. Now we will create in this class PostgreSQL. So PostgreSQL version 9.611. Let's choose PostgreSQL if you want to use this. So waiting for the compute engine. So again here we require to create instance for this. Default password you can set. Next location again and version 9.6 or 11. If PostgreSQL is the beta version. In advanced configuration options you can see more options related to connectivity, machine type and storage, enable auto backups, high availability, flags, labels, etc. And then you can create this instance which is a PostgreSQL instance. This is how you can create PostgreSQL instance. Thank you.